me, my name is Nevaeh Samaj Altidore. And I cry a lot, but this is my relaxing time. You know what I'm saying? I relax all the time, but every time my mommy don't change my poopy diaper, my pee-pee diaper, or give me my bath, or give me food, or anything, I just cry. Cry. And I love to wake up my auntie in the middle of the night. Yes, I do. Even though she got school tomorrow, that's her job. Yes, that's her job, school. She don't do her homework, but she got school anyways. Yes. Me, I just stay home, go to sleep, eat, poop, pee, and mommy does all the changing and feed me. Yes. Like I said, I'm popular. My mom does everything for me except for my grandma does something for me too, you know. I'm popular. Yes, I am. You wanna hear my song? This is my song. Yeah, look at me dancing.
Don't do that.
Look at my face. Yeah, I'm ready to rap. I'm ready to rap. You feel me? Here we go. What? I hate the way you look at me. I hate the way I act. I hate that I'm popular, and that's a fact. This doesn't come naturally. It's all up to you. You think this is easy, but you gotta think it through. I'm a damn baby. You know I'm popular, cause I'm the cutest thing inside of the world. Yeah, boy. Yeah, representing Naples, Florida. It's not Florida, it's Florida. Yeah, I'm the cutest baby in the world. Next to my sister, but my sister's sleeping because she's sick. Yes, she is. Yeah, popular. You're gonna be popular. Anyways, that was my song, Popular. So, now, I gotta go. Bye.
Talking baby. Your results may vary.